and I am here with a new ROM. So this is better ROM as compared to MIUI Pro or any other ports. So I have noticed less bugs, and except that everything works fine here. I will copy and paste the changelog of this ROM in my description, and you can read from there, and I will also type installation process in my description below. So here you will find the latest Android version with latest security patch. So a little bit old, but you will receive the latest security patch with more features in feature update. So this is the version of MIUI. Here you can see 2011.5 unofficial. So this is November base ports. That's why you are receiving here November security patch. And here each and everything works fine. Let me show you the about section of this device. So don't go with this version. So here you can say this is my Redmi Note 4, and here it is the specification of this device, which is ported from other device. I think this is based from Redmi Note 8. So here you can customize. Here lot of features are available, guys. So that's why I'm telling this ROM is better than MIUI Pro. So here you can play all games such as Clash of Clans, Call of Duty and PUBG Mobile, etc. And here you will see VoLTE working without any issue, without any error. Wi-Fi and hotspot, each and everything works fine. Let me show you whether Wi-Fi works or not. So here you can see Wi-Fi is working, there is no any issue. And here as you can see inside connection and sharing. In previous build I think there is a bug regarding cast, but right now they have fixed it. You can cast your device to your PC or laptop, whatever it may. So here you will see the all over latest MIUI notification status bar. You can customize all of these things. So here you can see hotspot is turned on, and here you can see restart your system UI. Here you can restart your device. From here you can restart your device to recovery and all other modes. So let me show you once again, guys. If you click on this, then you have to touch here at this bottom arrow. So once if you press on that, then you will see all of these options. From here you can reboot your device, and here from you can enable mobile data, flashlight, each and everything works fine here. And dark mode is also work in one tap, but there is a bug regarding read mode in my device. Don't know, because my device became mode, it struggles in lot of ROMs regarding read mode. So right now it is not working in my device. Sometimes it working, but sometimes not working. So if you are facing any issue, just let me know in comment section, so that I can do anything for that. So this is beta based build, so you will see these bugs common. So I will tell you the bugs of this ROM. Here hardware keys light doesn't work, and portrait mode doesn't work, and read mode doesn't work. Except that each and everything works fine here, and you can customize each and everything. Here you can log in your MI account without any issue or without any error. And this ROM is smooth as compared to other ROM like MIUI Razer Edition, MIUI Pro, and MIUI Inde ROM. So all of those ROM links I will provide in description, and this ROM link will provided in description. So first I will provide this ROM link in description, then after I will provide other ROMs link. And here you can use your Bluetooth for listening songs, but it doesn't work when you use cheap Bluetooth for gaming purpose. Your audio will be delayed even if you put this device near to your ears or Bluetooth device. So there is audio delay issue if you use any cheap audio devices. So if you use any good Bluetooth devices such as U-Bahn or anything else, then you will see the good audio issue. And here always on display doesn't work, because that is the bug. So that's removed from here. Here all things work, such as face unlock, dual face unlock support is available here, and fingerprint also works. There is no issue at all. So let me show you again. Here you need not to clear any data of any setting APK. So here you can customize your charging animation. So this feature is available in every ROM. So you can change the language and region here. So when you flash this ROM, your device will boot into directly this screen. So it will not ask to complete setup or anything else. So let me show you. Either here you can change your region from here, and let me show you the language supports here. So inside the languages you can change your language. So see this carefully, because you people ask me whether this language support is available or not. Almost all language support is available in this ROM. So in previous ROM I think I didn't saw all of these languages, but here available. So you can use this ROM. Battery life is also good. There is no any battery draining issue. It will give you around 1 day, and if you are hard gamer then it will give you around 8 hours if your device battery is good, if your device battery health is good. So if your device battery is old and there is an issue in your device such as hardware problems, then your device won't give you even 3 hours battery backup. And here inside full screen display everything works. Let me show you here. So here as you can see everything works here. By default here hardware keys will be enabled. After setup you have to disable it manually, and here lot of changes and customization are available. Once if you use this ROM then you will be able to know. So I would like to show you once again the status bar of this ROM, guys. This is amazing. So it gives better look and good look to this ROM. So let me show you again status bar of this ROM. So this is if status bar of this ROM. So in morning it will show you like good morning, in afternoon it will show you good afternoon, in night it will show you night. So here these all things are available. Again I am showing you, and here you have to connect to Wi-Fi when you flash this ROM so that you can add your Google account. And here you will see the battery percentage when you pull down quick status bar. So here you will see the timings etc. You can also use center clock mode here, and you will see the download and upload speed here. So let me show you again. In my device there is network issue, so here you can see. So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. If you like then you can like, otherwise you can dislike, and let me know the reason in comment section why you have disliked the video so that I can make changes regarding that. And if you want more interesting videos on Redmi Note 4 then you can subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts then you can also let me know in comment section. So no problem, whatever your doubt may, I will try to clarify and I will answer your doubts. And thanks for watching our video.